Develop the habit to give. People want to get things from people, get things from others. They don't want to give. They think if they give, they lose. The most happiest thing is not to get a gift, but to give things and to make happy people. There's not that is better than that. If you observe network, the most people that give receive a lot. If you give easily, you can get easily and more with good quality. Give money, give gift, give surprise to people, help them. Don't to be angry to give, because it is in the law of nature, the law of action and reaction. You get what you give. If you show angry, if you show bad things, bad energy, you will receive that. But it's the reverse. If you show good things, good emotion, good surprise, good things, people, you will get good things and more. Great people, most richest people is the most that serve people, that give to people. In the Bible, they say the biggest in one of you is the most people that serve. So very simple. Develop the habit to give, because in life, love is center of everything.